I'm going down.
So we had gorillas that will lead the way through.
Okay. Oh wow. This part doesn't seem bad. Okay.
Only a few still.
I'll do that. Yes. Oh, okay. That's not so bad. Drop down. This is not easy. Wow.
It's more easy for you because you're too tall.
Yeah, crawling's better. You are much faster.
Good work.
Yeah, that way. Oh, good. Oh, knees. I don't need to be doing this. Okay. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, don't do that. Wow.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Oh, more booby traps.
Yep.
I can't imagine doing that for any longer.
And look, it was just.
It was 4 miles is what it was.
I know, I'm sure.
Ugh.